Hello, my name is Igor Mogilny and I'm the owner of the Solomon Roof. Since childhood, I have been always passionate about construction and always liked to build something with my hands. I started as roofer helper and have been working in this position for 5 years. After that, I opened my own roofer company, Solomon Roof. Right now, Solomon Roof is a well-known Washington construction company. We are specializing on all kinds of roofing and waterproof deck. Our team is a people who are passionate about construction and work hard every day so you can have a professionally installed roof above your head. It's very important for every homeowner to have a professionally installed lifetime warranty roof. A good roof in Pacific Northwest is a good investment that they cannot ignore. We are at Solomon Roof are happy to create the best roofing solution for you and your family. Our mission to make sure you will be happy with your roof and that will last you lifetime. We are always here for you and we will be happy to help you out with your roofing needs, give you free estimate and also find the best financing solution for you. Truly yours, Solomon Roof.